Hey, everybody. I just wanted to take you through the opinion paper and the video aspect of things. So you watch this video here, right? It's a little meta to play a video inside a video. Then you come here, and what you're going to do is you're going to read something from the Procon organization. So let's take a look at that. You'll click on this link, and it'll take you here to the Procon organization. Now, the cool thing about this place is that it does exactly what it says. It shows pros versus cons. It shows you two sides of any issue. And because your opinion paper is about showing two sides of an issue, it's kind of a big deal to go here. So it's pretty cool that everything is broken down into subtopics. Most popular, of course, is a little bit of everything, but health and medicine, education, election, science. I mean, you pick whatever is something you're really interested in. So let's look at this, fighting and hockey. Okay, so let's go here. So we're going to go to fighting and hockey. And what you're going to see, and this is how all of the Procon information works, is there's going to be a main argument, okay? And you'll notice there's going to be footnotes, and we'll get to that in a second. And then here it's going to be, here's the pros, here's the cons. So you're going to, as the assignment here says, you're going to pick a side, right? So you're not just going to, say, oh, here's the argument. You're going to say fighting in hockey is great or fighting in hockey is terrible. And you're going to use this information that's presented here to help you. However, I don't want you to strictly stick with the information that's here. Part of the reason why these footnotes are here is because down here at the bottom are the information, right? So if you're here and you're reading this and you're like, oh, well, what's this? And I click on that, oh, boom. Oh, it takes you right to number 4. There it is. Now, when there's a web address associated with the with this article or with this, now keep in mind these citations are not APA citations, so don't see this and go, oh, I'm just going to copy and paste this citation and I've done that correctly. No. This is not an APA, so don't think that this is an example of how your reference page should look. It is absolutely 100% not. But what this does show is it's going to take you to the article here. So you're going to read this, you're going to think about it, you're going to pick a side, you're going to click on that footnote, come down to wherever it is. So you're like, ooh, footnote 16, that's the one that I really want. So you're going to highlight this, you're going to copy it. And now, you can also right click it and then do a search for it right from there, and boom. And it'll, so it should, in theory, take you right to where you want to go. Now, of course, this took me right back to Procon. So you're like, oh, that's not the one that I want. So this says this in sporting charts. So that didn't pop up. Maybe that means that I, of course, in this example, picked the wrong one. So let's try it without the access date and see if we can find it. Come up here and paste it in. There we go. See, that access date is what made it specifically here. So now I'm going to go here and I'm going to read a more detailed version of things. And this is the source I'm going to cite in my paper. Okay, so whichever one it is. So you're going to go here. Let's try this one from Bleacher Report. This one will probably be a longer article because Bleacher Report is more of a isn't like Procon, or it's more like Sports Illustrated. It's going to be more journalistic. So let's see if I come here. And so now I've got this longer article. I've got an author, so I can cite, in the text, I can cite Gruel and the year of this, which is listed in the other place there. And it should be listed here too. So that's what you're going to want to do. So you're going to read the general article, pick the articles, 1 or 2 of them that'll help you enhance your argument, and then go to those places. And that's what you're going to end up citing back here in your opinion paper. Okay, so you're going to start at Procon and read the idea, then go to the specific article, and then that's what you're going to use in the opinion paper, right? Because if you look through here, right, you have to cite some of your work. So pick a side. You're going to agree or disagree with the premise. You must cite your work, right? Meaning that you can't just say, oh yeah, I think fighting in hockey is awesome, and here's all these reasons why. You have to cite that. You may have opinions on that. It is an opinion paper. You're supposed to have an opinion, but you're basing your opinion on this extra reading. You're not basing your opinion on something that you've already established. Now, let me put a caveat in there. You may be a big hockey fan and you may think that fighting in hockey is an excellent idea. Fine. But you still have to either agree or disagree with what someone in this pro-con article, as you jump to the next article, has written. So you're going to specifically focus on that one person's opinion and agree or disagree with him or her, as opposed to just writing a 3 to 5 page paper about your own opinion. We can do that. I'm a big fan of a lot of things. So I could write a 3 to 5 page paper that's strictly my opinion that I formed over the years. So that's where this is. It's like an informed opinion. That's what this is. So you're going to have it based on something. Now, the best thing is if you don't want to just say, oh, I totally agree. That's fine. You can go in here. If you're pro, you look at the con side. Here's all these arguments for con. You find those articles by using those footnotes. Click, takes you right to the source. Copy the source, paste it. You'll find it. That's how you're going to get there. And then you can say, this person's clearly wrong, and here's why. And then that's where you have the opportunity to just really kind of give your opinion based on your years of experience by doing the con side. Okay. I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, of course, email me. I'm looking forward to read these. These papers are generally a ton of fun. Okay. So your idea has to come from the pro-con and follow those rules that I presented here. If you have, again, I said already, if you have questions, let me know, but it's really important that you reach out to me and don't wait till the 0 hour to ask if you have questions. Okay. Thanks.